Now for our next example involving the addition of radical terms, we're going to take a look at a case where each of the terms contains fractions. And what we have is 2 times the square root of 32 over 36 plus the square root of 27 over the square root of 108. So I'm going to work with each term separately, simplify completely, and then we're going to combine them together in the end. So for the first term, we can rewrite this using the quotient property. We would have then 2 on the outside and the square root of 32 all over the square root of 36. And the 32 contains a perfect square factor of 16, so we'll rewrite that then as 16 times 2. And the denominator is a perfect square, which we can then rewrite as 6. Now the square root of 16 inside will come out of the radical as 4, and that 4 then multiplied by the 2 in front will give us then 8 then times the square root of 2 all over 6. Now if we reduce that a bit, we can divide a 2 into the 8 and a 2 into the 6, so we'll then have 4 times the square root of 2 then all over 3. Now for the next term, what we can do is rewrite this as the square root of 27 over 108. In other words, we'll rewrite it so we have a single fraction inside the radical. That will reduce then to 1/4. And 1/4 we know to be a perfect square, so its square root then is 1/2. So now what we have then is 4 times the square root of 2 over 3 plus 1/2. And to combine them further, we need to find a common denominator, which I think you can see will be 6. So what we'll do is multiply then the first fraction by 2 over 2, and the second fraction then by 3 over 3. And so now what we will have then is 8 times the square root of 2 all over 6 plus 3/6. And combining further into a single fraction, we'll have 8 times the square root of 2 plus 3 then all over 6. Now the terms in the numerator you can see are not like terms, so we can't then simplify any further.